Ever wonder how you can help your pet be as healthy as possible? Let's dive into some holistic therapies that will make a world of difference. Hi, I'm Lachlan, co-founder of Doggy Rub. We're all about keeping your pet happy and healthy with the best nutrition and care. In today's video, we'll look at some holistic therapies that will boost your dog's well-being. Let's start with pet massage. Just like us, our pets benefit from a good massage. It helps reduce stress and anxiety, improves blood circulation, and can even alleviate muscle tension. If your dog is nervous or anxious or experiencing joint pain, massage therapy can be a game changer. It's also a great way to strengthen the bond between you and your pet. Next, let's talk about acupuncture. The thought of a needle can be incredibly intimidating, but acupuncture can relieve chronic pain in dogs, especially with things like arthritis, back pain, and hip dysplasia. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, boost the immune system, and can improve digestion. Always consult with a veterinary acupuncturist to ensure the best level of care for your pet. Lastly, hydrotherapy. It's a gentle and effective way to ease your dog's pain, especially if they love water. It's a low-impact exercise that's great for dogs with joint issues and recovering from injury. Hydrotherapy helps with weight management. It also improves muscle tone and enhances fitness. Plus, it's a fantastic way for your dog to have fun while getting a good workout. As a bonus tip, think about aromatherapy. It comes with a lot of controversy in the pet world, but used properly, it can calm your dog and invigorate others. Always use oils that are safe for your pet and consult with a professional for guidance. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.